This is the all-new Space Travel, a set of truly wireless earbuds from Moondrop. And in this video, I'm going to talk about all there is to know about before you go ahead and get these earbuds. So let's get started, shall we? For those of you who do not know about Moondrop, it's a brand that has made quite a name in the Chi-Fi industry for producing some excellent in-ear monitors that many people swear by in terms of both design and sound quality. With some exceptions though. Now coming at a price point of just $25 US, the Moondrop Space Travel have been claimed to dethrone the rest of its competition. But after using these earbuds for quite some time now, I'm of the opinion that these have been designed to target only a specific genre of people and nobody else. So let's talk about that. Alright, so this is the box that the Moondrop Space Travel comes in, and right up front you'll be greeted with the TWS earbuds themselves neatly tucked inside their case. Digging deeper, you'll find some documentation mostly in Chinese, so no point in reading them. Then you'll have a couple of silicone ear tips, a Type-C cable for charging, and that's about it. Alright, to be very honest with you guys, I do like the case design. I mean, it's quite unique and polarizing compared to every other TWS case in the market, although things do take a turn in terms of practicality. So taking out the earbuds from their case requires some amount of finesse, as you need to slide them from the bottom side with one finger and then use the fingers of your other hand to complete the task. And you need even more finesse to put these earbuds back inside their case, because you can't just drop them in and call it a day. You need to properly align them with their molds, and only then will they slot back in. Alright, so taking a closer look at these earbuds, you'll notice that they have your traditional AirPods-like design, and these are built entirely out of plastic. The build quality felt decent enough for the price point, and these cool designs along with the matte texture of these earbuds definitely add to the wow factor. Now these earbuds do fit my ears well and good, so I don't have any issues with that, although I would recommend that you do not take these outside because these do not have any kind of protection or IP rating, so it's better that you use these earbuds indoors only. Alright, so apologies for cutting in like this, but the thing that I noticed when I was editing this video is the fact that I kind of forgot about the microphone output of these earbuds. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to switch to these earbuds. So there you go. So now what you're listening to is basically the microphone output of these earbuds. And this is how I would sound to you guys if I were talking to you over a call wearing these earbuds. So what do you guys think about the mic quality? Please let me know in the comments down below. But in the meantime, what I can say is that usability wise, these are pretty good as well. They do come with touch controls for taking or ending calls, controlling music, as well as ANC. Yes, these earbuds do come with ANC as well as transparency mode, all while costing under $25 US. The ANC is good enough for the price, I'd say. It does a good job of shielding out the low-end frequencies like fan noises, but something that's even more impressive is the transparency mode. I mean, you can clearly make out what the other person is telling you when you're wearing these earbuds, and it doesn't sound that much robotic like you get from other earbuds at a similar price point. I do wish you had volume controls as well with these earbuds, but again, considering the price point, it's not that big of a deal, I'd say. Now, battery life with these earbuds is probably a C+ at its best. I was able to get around 4 to 5 hours of usage with ANC turned on before I had to put these back inside their case. Now, you might be already aware that there are TWS out there that offer you 8 to 10 hours of backup. So yeah, in terms of battery life, something more was desired with these earbuds. Another thing to note right here is the fact that you do not get any support for fast charging, but I guess that's me just nitpicking again, isn't it? Alright, now most of you guys are probably wondering what's the big deal with the Moondrop Space Travel, since most of the things that I just mentioned are kind of just meh. So if you recall at the very beginning of this video, I did mention that these earbuds have been designed to target only a specific niche of people and nobody else. And those people are the ones who care about only one thing, and that is the sound quality. Something which Moondrop didn't decide to cheap out on in terms of the space travel. Alright, so these earbuds come with 13mm single dynamic drivers on either side, and the way that these are tuned is just incredible. Now, I do understand there's no point in going in depth with the bass, mids and trebles here, because it's not even close to what you'll get with a similarly priced IEM. But what you'll notice is the fact that the soundstage feels a lot wider and a lot more natural in comparison to other TWS at the similar price point. And even though it misses out on some high-res audio codecs like LHDC and LDAC, you still get a lot more clarity and a lot more warmth with the space travel. So with the Moondrop Link application, you get 3 preset equalizers to play with. And in my opinion, Reference is definitely the one to go with if you want more details, or if you want more bass, then probably select Basshead. I'd stay away from Monitor if I were you, because it just makes the whole soundstage muddy. I do wish there was manual control over the equalizer within the application, but in general, I was totally impressed with the sound quality of the Moondrop Space Travel. Alright, now let's talk about a couple of things that I felt would require some refinement. The very first thing in my opinion are those creepy waifu noises that you get when you switch between ANC and transparency mode. Yeah, it kind of throws you off guard and ruins the total experience. A couple of dings or beeps would have been better here. Next up is definitely the application. I don't think it should ask me for my precise location each and every time, and it should definitely be available on the Play Store and the App Store. Now, I don't have a problem with downloading the apprelease.apk, but many people out there might find it quite sketchy. So Moondrop, if you're watching this video, please take a note. I want you guys to launch a version 2 of this product with the refinements that I just mentioned, and I promise you, you will be able to attract a wider audience. So the Moondrop Space Travel is definitely not for everyone, and it's for those of you guys who want nothing apart from the best possible audio quality at the $25 price point. Now, in India, these cost over 3,000 rupees, and sometimes these may go as high as 4,000 rupees. It simply doesn't make any sense to get these earbuds at that price point because there are far better options that are available at that price point. But by chance, if you find these for under 3,000 rupees, it's definitely a must buy. Alright, so that is pretty much it for this video, and I genuinely hope you guys got some value out of it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more such videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next one.